children, how are you? Let's sing the days of the week. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day special and every day new. What day is it today? Today is Thursday. Your turn. Fantastic. And if today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Your turn. Fantastic. What day comes after Monday? After Wednesday? After Saturday? What day comes before Wednesday? Not after, before. If you're singing the song, it's the one you say before it. Before Wednesday is Tuesday. And what 2 days are the weekend? The days we don't go to school? It's Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Your turn. Fantastic. Let's sing the months of the year. Are you ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year? My turn. There are 12 months in a year. Your turn. That's brilliant. What month is it at the moment? It is November. Your turn. What month comes after November? December. What month comes after January? February. What month comes after May? June. What month comes before February? And you've got to sing the song and see what you say before February. February. What did I say first? January comes before February. Can you show me 5 claps? Are you ready? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you touch your nose 7 times? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we count down from 10 to 0? And instead of saying blast off, we're going to say 0 today. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic. Now we have met our mother duck, haven't we? Our mother duck, how many ducklings, baby ducks has she got? She's got 1, 2, 3, and 4 little ducks. 4 little ducks, they went swimming one day, didn't they? We won't sing that song at the moment, but we're going to remember that they went swimming, and each time one little duck went away, there was one less. And when we say our numbers counting back from 10 right down to 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I take one away, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. When I take one away, 2, 1, 0. So each time when I'm counting backwards, I'm actually taking one away each time. Let's watch again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so counting backwards is taking one off each time. Now, Mummy Duck was really, really worried about her ducklings. Do you remember yesterday she was worried and she didn't want them swimming away over the hills and far away, so she couldn't find them. So she let them swim in 2 ponds. And here we've got 2 lovely lily ponds. Can you see them? So the ducklings were allowed to choose which pond they went to. On Monday, Daphne went into there. Donald, Daisy and David went into there. And yesterday we said that 1 was in here and 1, 2, 3 were in here. But when Mummy Duck counted, there were 1, 2, 3, 4. Part was 1, part was 3, and the whole was 4. And we represented that in a part, whole model. I'm going to just show you so you understand. Altogether, there are 4 ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mummy Duck has 4 ducklings, and I can put counters on there to show it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can touch them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many ducklings Mummy has altogether. In this pond here, she's got 1, 2, 3. And if I wanted to put those on my part, whole model, I put 3 there. And again, I can put 3 counters on there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which leaves 1 little duckling here. And there's 1 there. I can put 1 duckling there. 1 duckling here and 3 here. Part was 1, part was 1, 2, 3, and all together there were 4. And let's look again at our part, whole model. Part was 1, part was 3, and all together that makes 4. If Mummy Duck comes to collect Daphne and take her home to get her tea, so she's taking her home to get her tea, she's leaving 3 others. There were 4 ducklings, but she's taking 1 away. There were 4, but when she takes 1 away, she leaves just 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Daphne's coming back now. Mummy Duck decides that she's going to take the 3 ducklings, David, Donald and Daisy, to go and get their hair cut. She comes and collects them. She takes away 3 and leaves 1, Daphne, in the pond. There were 4 ducklings, 1, 2, 3, 4, but when Mummy takes 3 away, that just leaves 1. There were 4 and Mummy took 3 away, leaving just 1. Now, the next day, the ducklings were allowed to play in the pond again. 2 of the ducklings went into this pond, 1, 2. And the other 2 ducklings went into this pond, 2 here and 2 here. This time, instead of using the pictures, I'm going to use counters to represent them. Those are the 2 ducklings that are in this pond. And those are the 2 ducklings that are in this pond. 1, 2, represent 1, 2 ducklings here. 1, 2, and there's 2 counters for them. Mummy Duck takes these 2 to school. She leaves 2 little ducklings here. These 2 have gone to school. There were 4 ducklings to start with, and now that just leaves 2 left. 4, when she took away 2, left 2. I'm going to take away this card this time so we can just see the ducklings represented as counters. 1, 2, 3, 4 ducklings all together. The following day, the ducklings come to play in the pond again. And 1 goes in that pond, 2 go in that pond, 3 go in that pond, and 4 go in that pond, because Mummy said that they've all got to stay together because she's going to pick them up early to take them to Grandma's. Each counter is going to represent 1 duckling. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know there are 4 ducklings altogether because we've counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 altogether, and that's the 4 altogether there. There are no ducklings in this pond at all. Nothing in here. No ducklings in here. I'm going to put that picture with 0 in. 0 is nothing. I could have 0 like that, couldn't I? But there are no ducklings in this pond, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 in this pond. Altogether, we know there are 4 ducklings. Those are 4 represented like that. Part was 4 and part was 0, and the whole was 4. Mummy Duck takes these 4 off to school. We've taken away 4 and we've left 0. We started off with 4 ducklings. We took them 4 of them away and we're left with no ducklings. Now, looking at this 4 here, these 4 counters, those are 4 counters and we can see them 1, 2, 3, 4. And it doesn't matter whether I've got them like that, or whether I've got them like that, or whether I've got them like that, or even if I put them all in a row, there's still 4. The same amount, but I've moved them into different positions like that. And we can see that there's more than 3. And I can see that 4 makes up 2 lots of 2 because it's an even number. So being able to see or subitize numbers really quickly and see there's 4 is something that we're going to try to learn. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And I've got some cards here. Now these cards all have 4 on in a different position. It looks more than it did when it was just 3 spots. This was what 3 spots looked like that. You can see there's more on there. And it certainly looks more than 2 spots and even more than 1 spot. But look, we can have 4 in lots of different ways. Like that, like that. That's 4. That's 4 with 1 line and 1 extra spot. That's 4. And that's 4. So I've got a pack of cards here and they've got different numbers on. I want you to see if you can say the number and hold up the correct amount of fingers. I'm going to put my 4s in there. So there's 1, 2, 3 or 4 in here. It's quite tricky, isn't it? I'll hold them up for a little bit of time and then we'll see if we can get them quicker. Okay, the first one, are you ready? How many's on there? See if you can see it without counting it. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see there's a line of 3 and an extra one makes 4. Oh, that's got a line of 3 and an extra one, so it's 4. What about that one? That looks smaller, but it's not tiny. It's 3. I bet you can do that one straight away, can't you? Just 1. A line there. That's 3. Can you see straight away how many that is? 4. That looks quite a few, doesn't it? But look at this. Are they the same? They are. What about that one? It's just 2. You got that straight away. And this one, I know you're going to know. What about this one? Well done. So you could make some spotty cards like that at home and see how quickly you can see the number straight away. Now, we know that 4 or numerals, numbers can be represented in different ways. We've got a number line here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that we can put towers. We now know that they get bigger as the number gets bigger. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that on dice, we've got different amounts. There's 1. There's 2 on there. 3. And 1 there. That's 4, sorry. So we know that dice show different amounts like that. We know that we can have objects, and I've used straws before because I know that I can just draw lines to represent 4. We know about Numicon. 1, just 1, an odd one on its own. 2, it's a pair, a partner. Each one's got a partner. It's an even number. 3, they've not all got partners, so it's an odd number. And 4, each pair has got a partner, an even number. And we have been also practicing writing our numerals, so we are going to have a practice now at the numerals that we've already done, and we're going to learn how to write numeral 4. So just going back over the ones that we have done before. Nice and easy is the numeral for 1, and we know that for 1 we just go 1 straight soldier, just 1 line down, and I know you're all really good at that, and you can all make them the same size. 2 looks a bit like a duck, doesn't it? And it's really, really easy to get these the wrong way round. We've got to go over a head, down a back, give her a tail. So it's a little bit like our duckling that is facing that way, isn't it? Can you see that duckling facing that way? 2 is a bit like that. 3 always reminds me of the sides of cuddling my cuddly teddy. 3, go around like that big cuddly teddy in there along the same line and back. And now number 4. Now I remember the man at number 4 on my road, when he comes out to see me, he goes down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. And that's what he does every time he comes to see me. Let's have a go at that. So the stairs are going that way, aren't they? They don't go straight down. You have to walk down on a diagonal. Down the stairs, across the garden, and then jump over the wall. Number 4. Have a go at that again. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Let's have a go at those. I'm holding my pencil near the point. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Down the stairs, across the garden, jump over the wall. Sometimes you see the numeral 4 joined up at the top like that, but we're going to do it this way because it's sometimes, if you don't do those really neatly, it can look like the numeral 9. So it's good to get into the practice of writing them like that. So today, children, have a go at writing a numeral 4. Have a go at making some spotty cards up to 4 and seeing if you can subitize. That means see the number straight away and hold it up on your fingers straight away. Can you see what that is? That's 4, isn't it? So have a great day. Any of your numerals or your collections of things to 4, send into the Ash or Elm email, and the address is on the Byron Wood website. Have a lovely day, children. Bye.